What's up, everybody? It's Friday morning. There's Leela. Levi's over there taking the temperature of the chickens. But today is harvest day for these birds. It's nice out. We got the boiler water going so we can dunk them, and it helps loosen up the feathers. And it's our little workstation here. So
here's the table where we pluck or harvest them.
Yeah, where we get them all, we process. We'll say we'll process them. And then we got 10 left, so I'm gonna try to knock it out quick. I got 3 pluckers here, so each kid will have a bird to pluck.
Yep.
And then we'll move on, and we got our bucket of ice water right there and a waste bucket, so we should get it done pretty quick. Cool, cool. All right, this is the big chicken. Like, these things are massive, yo. So it's time. So we're gonna go over here. We got the camera like just out of view of the tree, so.
Yep.
Yep.
So let's go.
Go put it in the cone, let it calm down.
Oh, go ahead, Dad. It's all gonna have to teach you guys in there. Oh. He's a feisty one. He doesn't like being upside down.
Now, be careful with it. Slowly. Leave it. So then we just let it drain out right now, and water's almost temp. I get it between 160 170, and so next is going to be dunking. We'll show you that process.
Okay guys, we're gonna spray the chicken down and then dunk it into the water. And so because the water is super hot, we gotta have a string on it. And this chicken is super heavy. Wonder what's in it. Feel it.
Just checking the temperature now.
Okay, can I spray it?
We're at 168, so.
Can I spray it?
Spray it all, yes. All over the whole thing. Even the feet too, get the feet real good. Underneath the feet, on there.
Daddy, how much does this chicken weigh?
Yeah, let me flip it.
Okay.
I get the feathers wet because it'll help the hot water penetrate all those feathers down to the skin. So loosen up the follicle so the feathers will slip out pretty easy. Go ahead, brother. Alright, so this is what we do to dump. It's going to overflow a little bit probably. You get a stick here. To
Press it
submerge
down.
them. Even their feet here. Come on here. Oh, propane went off. Yeah.
Propane.
Pull them out. Let them sit for a second.
Turn off the propane tank. This is what's going to happen to all of you.
Levi. And then we'll move on to the next step. So here we are, we're plucking now. This is the next step. But instead of doing this with a regular video speed, I'll go ahead and set a time lapse and then I'll tell you how long it took us. All plucked.
Yep.
Okay.
And Levi's, Dad's, mine. We're going to be cutting their neck off. And it looks a lot different, right, guys?
It does.
Look.
Compared to that behind you.
Those guys.
Yep.
And now it turned to this.
All right. So, what's?
Now we're going to gutting.
Yep, we're going to gut and then throw in the ice water.
The white waste bucket.
All right. Those 3 birds. I don't know how long it took us, but there they are in the cooler, ready to go. So yeah.
Hey guys, so
this is it. This is the final product, right?
Yep.
8 pounds on that big one, huh?
Yep.
What were all the other ones?
In here.
Those 2 over there in the freezer, and those are 3 that we did, well, on September 24th. So almost a month later we did these other ones, still averaging 6 pounds, but that one, whew, 8 pounds. So, all right, that's it, final product in the freezer.